Tired of fumbling for your phone to take calls, listen to podcasts, or record memories? I'm Gina with WTI, and I found a solution in one product, and that's the smart glasses from Demabon. I get crystal clear audio whether I'm listening to music or taking a phone call.
On or near a windowsill or shelf.
I can even transition just by double tapping the touchpad on the side of the glasses from my podcast to taking a picture and having the AI recognize it for me. I can also adjust the volume right there too. I'm taking footage all the time, and having a first person perspective is gold for the content that I create. This has a 4K HD camera, and it has a 3-axis anti-shake sensor. So this was so nice, like when I was out creating content on the water. Having real-time translation services is pretty awesome. I can simply have the person talk to me, and then it translates it for me into my glasses in English, or you can choose other languages. The glasses themselves are very well built, but lightweight. They don't feel heavy on my face, and they don't hurt behind my ears. I think you're going to love these for yourself or to give as a gift. They're amazing. And that's my point of view.